What's up, guys? In today's video we are going to be checking out all of these different EAS alarms. Okay, so how I picked these was I randomly dragged them from the bottom, and the reason they're so little is because there was no way I was ranking. Yeah, anyway, there was no way I was ranking that, so what I did was I scrolled down randomly, I grabbed a random thing, and then I brung it up here. Or I grabbed a random thing, and then I opened my eyes, and I saw what the random thing was, and I brung it up there. May as well do that one more time. Alright, I'm closing my eyes. I wish you guys could see, but I'm closing my eyes. Okay, Ivory Coast. That's also going to be part of it, I guess. So, let's start off. So the first flag we have here that I chose randomly is this. That's Latvia. Okay, let me get that up so you guys can hear. Alright, here we go. Latvia's EAS alarm. Let me raise the volume. Okay, that was scary, and I feel like something's trying to kill me when that sound plays. So we're gonna put that up here in A because that sounded scary, and I don't like it. All right, now Japan. Let's go Google that one. Oh, here it is. Okay, so you guys can hear this. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh. What the? What did I just hear? Okay, hold on. Let me get a different one. Because that just scared me. That just scared the life out of me. Okay. Oh, that's a stupid ad, bro. Oh my god, stupid ads. Oh, wait, what? Oh, okay, so here it is in 3, 2, 1. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. There's no way that's actually real. Because the first Japan alarm I heard was like... And then the second one was like... Oh my god! So I guess D. Okay. Next is Norway. So let me get that up. All right. Okay, here it is. Okay, Norway, that scared me. It sounded very scary, and I don't like it. So, yeah. Actually, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna move Latvia to B and Norway to A. Norway's scary. I don't like it. All right, next we have this is Poland. All right, let's see what that EAS alarm is like. All right, here it is. 3, 2, 1. Okay, honestly, I don't know what to say. It was like creepy. It was just like a song still, so like C, I would say. It's like a creepy song that plays. But it's not really as scary as one of those. Okay. So actually, you know what? We're gonna do Since this is going to be shorter than I thought, we're going to do one more country that we're going to choose. All right, I'm closing my eyes. The country I choose. Oh. All right, I just opened my eyes. I don't really know what that country is. Okay. I don't know what it is. Let's just put it like there. I don't know. Okay. Let's do South Korea now. All right, guys. Here it is. That was some like, oh. Okay, that was weird. Okay, here it is. All right, so this is the same situation as Poland. It's like creepy, but it's just a song, you know. So C. And then Brazil. All right, let's check out Brazil. Ronaldo. All right. All right, here's Brazil. Okay, personally, I feel like it's scary, but honestly, it didn't give me like shivers down my spine like Norway or Latvia did. But I'm still not sure. I'll put it in B, but it might be a C. But for now, it's B. Okay. Now North Macedonia. North Macedonia. All right, North Macedonia EAS alarm. Here it is. Okay, well, that was kind of scary. With that, if the guy wasn't talking, it was just really repetitive. I'm gonna put it right here in C. And next we have Ethiopia. Okay. Ethiopia. Okay, here it is. 3, 2, 1. Bro, okay, that's just like Norway. Norway, bro. I did not like that. Okay. In fact, I don't know. I did not like that. Ivory Coast. All right, let me get that up. We're almost done, guys. Almost there. All right, Ivory Coast is up next. Oh, shoot. Okay, Ivory Coast is right up here next. Ivory Coast, EAS. All right, here we go. Okay, if Siren Head was real, then that would be what I feel like he sounds like. But honestly, it just sounds like police cars. So I'll put it in C. Next, we have, I think that's Zambia. Or it's like Zamibia or something like that. I think it's Zambia, though. Yeah, it is. All right. This is Zambia's EAS alarm. Oh my God! What just happened? Bro, what is that? Okay, hold on. I'll let you guys hear it without me screaming, because I just got startled, man. Holy sweet mother. If I was just living my life in Zambia and I heard that, I would freaking like like start like I don't even know. I would.
Have you ever had a dream that you had you? What the hell?
Okay.
Oh my God!
Yes. All right. Let's check this one out. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is an ad because I.
Over there. I thought my mom was mad at me, but she just emailed me a bunch of.
All right, this is Cypress's EAS alarm. I hate ads, bro. All right. Okay. Oh, that was a beat, bro. That wasn't even scary at all, bro. That was insane, bro. I love Cypress now. That was a beat, bro. That was insane. All right, Sri Lanka is the last one. Let's see Sri Lanka's EAS alarm. All right, here we go. Jeez, what the hell? Okay, Sri Lanka is I'd say it's up here. It scared me. Okay, that's for records. It's loud and it's like and it's scary. It sounds like your house is on fire. Maybe it's B though. Maybe it's B. All right, so this is my final tier list. Tell me if I should do more because I certainly can do more. Okay. Anyway,